Hey, I'm Frida with WTI, and I'm here today to show you the Zinus twin size mattress we just purchased for my son. It is so comfortable. We love it. And if you're like me, it's kind of hard to make the purchase online without really feeling the mattress out first. So let me tell you a few of the things that I really love about this mattress. The memory foam comes fully encased in a removable cover. I think that is a great idea for the company to do for cleaning purposes. I know that this mattress is going to last me a lot longer because I can clean it properly. We got the 8-inch mattress, and I was worried that it would be too soft because we chose to use it without a box spring, and I didn't want my son to feel the bed slats underneath. As you can see, it's not too firm, it's not too soft. It's just that perfect little mix, just like Goldilocks said. And my son loves it. It's so comfortable that he asked me to remove the memory foam topper that I had gotten for it. He said he likes the mattress more just by itself. So if you're looking for something that is affordable for your kids' room, this is it. It comes in a box, all vacuum sealed. It took probably about 2 to 3 days to fully get up to its normal size, but my son slept on it the first night and he absolutely loved it. So we are very happy with the purchase. I know you'll be happy too. That's my point of view.